What are the things the confident guys are doing that you need to do to become successful? What are the strategies and what exactly do you want to achieve in life? But there are things that the confident guys are doing or confident men are doing which are special and different, and that is why they are confident to do whatever they are doing, and that is why they became successful. So you need to do those things that the confident guys are doing or confident men are doing that makes them great in life. What are those things? In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 major things that the confident men are doing that makes them to be great in life, which you need to do to become successful just like them. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person that will get notified whenever I upload my next video. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos to make sure that you know about men, the secret of men, and the well-being of men in terms of their behavior, tips, their psychology, what they are doing, or what you need to know about men. That is what I am making videos for. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel to be part of this family. So let's continue. What are the things that the confident men are doing that you need to do? Number 1 is that confident men are men who are always focused. What do I mean by focus? You need to be focused whenever you want to achieve any of your goal. Avoid procrastination. Whatever you want, all you need is focus. Once you have focus, you must achieve whatever you want. And focus is one character that confident men exhibit or possesses. That is why they are successful, which you need to achieve any of your goal. Number 2 is that confident men are self-motivated. What do I mean by self-motivated? Self-motivated in the sense that they are motivated with what they see. They are motivated with the success of others. They are not envy. They are not jealous, but they emulate people who has been successful. They emulate people who have achieved what they want to achieve. That is what confident men are doing. If you want to achieve whatever you want, observe people around you, people who became successful with tricks and tips that you want to emulate to be like them. If you emulate successful people, you will achieve any kind of goal you want to achieve. So as you are seeing people who are successful already, they need to motivate you. You need to be motivated because what your eyes see transmits down to your heart and your mind will capture it to evaluate what you want or what you want to achieve. Then it's late for you to make your choice after the evaluation, because your subconscious mind will capture it and make sure that it program within you to make your particular choice in life. So whatever you want, be self-motivated with what you see to achieve whatever you want. Number three is that confident men are men who never give up. There will be a time or a point in time when there is challenges, obstacles, disappointment and failures, which will attract giving up. But once you never give up, you will achieve your goal. There will be a point in time when things are going to go wrong. It looks as if you don't know what you are doing anymore, or you don't know what you are capable of doing. But if you did not give up, you will achieve that particular goal. All you have to do is never to give up. Giving up shows that you are weak. Giving up shows that you are incapable. But once you did not give up on your dream, it means that you can achieve your goal in no distant time. And it also means that your success is imminent once you never give up. So, giving up is what you don't need to embrace, but embracing your goal, no matter any challenges and obstacles, are exactly or is exactly what you want in order to achieve your dream. And that is what confident men are doing, because confident men never give up. Even when there is a lot of disappointments, obstacles, and challenges, they never give up. And that is why they are the greats today. Number four thing that confident men are doing are they never look or observe others. Once you start observing others, they will discourage you. The more you observe others, the more you are putting fear, anxiety within you, because there are people in life that they would like to discourage you for achieving your goal. There are people in life that they are dream killer. Do not tell your secrets or your success to small-minded people, because when you do, they will talk you out of what God has for you. So all you need is to keep on and never observe others to avoid being discouraged over your success. The more you observe others, the more likely to lose focus. But the more you do not observe others and remain focused, persistence and consistency, you will achieve your goal. And that is another secret, or what confident men are doing. And that is what makes them confident men. Then the fifth thing that a confident men are doing is that they are always consistent. Consistency is the key to success. Consistency is an avenue to greatness. All you have to do is to remain consistent, no matter any challenges that you may encounter, no matter any obstacles that you may encounter. Stick to your goal and keep consistency at your hand. Keep consistency at your doorstep. Never give up. Always be consistent. The more consistency, the more likely to achieve your goal. But when you give up without consistency, you can never achieve your dream. The confident men are people who are consistent with what they are doing. By the way, what do you understand by consistency? It is the ability of someone to remain on its goal when there is obstacles and challenges. He or she still remain consistent or still remain on the track to achieve his dream. So that is all you need. Be consistent no matter any challenges and disappointments to achieve your dream. Before you give up, remember why you have started. Remember that you are closer to your success. Remember how many obstacles, challenges that you have encountered and you did not give up. Keep going. Be consistent. You never know when the door of success will open. Be consistent on your dream. And this is the habit or what the confident men are doing, which you need to do to achieve your goal. So all these 5 things are what the confident men are doing, which you need to emulate to be great in life. Today, I am going to end this video here. Make sure that you hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. If you have any question or anything to comment about, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and make sure that you share this video to people that need motivation and to people to know about what confident men are doing, which they need to emulate or to do to achieve the same results that the confident men have achieved. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.